and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm adding Bio Silk oil to her hair to get it moisturized and help with the detangling. Today's style will consist of 2 ponytails straight down the middle, one on each side, and a heart at the front of the hair with braids. So right now I'm parting the hair straight down the middle from the front to the back. Once you have your hair parted in two, I am going to start the first half of the heart. So you just want to shape out a half of a heart. Then I'll just briefly put up this ponytail in the back just to secure it till I make the other half of the heart on the other side. So right now I'm going in and I'm making the other half of the heart. So as you can see, the shape is turning out as a heart. Detangling this side, and I'm going to put up my first ponytail. Once you have your ponytail up, you just detangle, and I'm going to put this in 2 twists. And remember that you can put your hair in any amount of twists that you want, but I'm just choosing to do 2. Now we move along to the other side, and we're just going to detangle that side again. And put this side up into the second ponytail. And again on this side, I'm going to do 2 twists. After I detangled the hair, I am just separating back the halves of the heart, and I'm going to braid each side. So once I've separated the hair in 2, I make a slit into a half of the heart, and then you just want to braid it around. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. I'm just going to make a slit into the half of this heart, and then I'm going to braid it going all the way around to connect the heart. Once you've made it to the end, you just want to connect the 2 pieces, and you just want to twist it going all the way down. See, right now you can see the definition of the heart, and I'm going to put my edge control as usual just to get the hair looking sleek. Once you've got your baby hairs laid, She wanted to add orange accessories to her hair, so that's what I did. And I connected the piece that was hanging down from the heart to one of the ponytails. So you could go on either side, or you can have it hang down with a clip, but my choice is to add it to the ponytail. Deuces, and thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and share it to someone who you know needs to learn how to do some hair.